Hi, thank you for coming to our presentation on definite and indefinite articles and when you should use them. There are a couple terms you should know first. We have a few slides on these. First is a noun. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. We often forget about that last one, the idea, so I just want to emphasize it with italics here. So examples of nouns include paper, class, and argument. A noun phrase is a group of words that functions as a noun, so a person, place, thing, or idea. So, for example, a history paper, a social class, or a difficult to understand argument. A couple more terms to know. Both nouns and noun phrases appear in complete sentences as subjects, direct objects, indirect objects, and sometimes as well as prepositional objects. Subjects are the nouns doing the action in the sentence. So, for example, in the sentence, the professor created the an assignment, the professor is the subject. Objects are the nouns receiving the action. So in, again, that same sentence, the professor created an assignment. The thing being created is the assignment. Direct objects are those objects having the action done to them. So for example, the professor created an assignment for us. Here, the direct object is an assignment because it's being created. Indirect objects are those objects which receive the direct object. So in that example, the professor created an assignment for us. Us is the indirect object because it is receiving the assignment. Now we can talk about articles. So what are they? Articles are like adjectives in that they modify nouns, meaning that they clarify something about a noun. So for example, is it a specific paper? Then it's the paper using the article the. Is it a general piece of paper you need to borrow? Then it's a piece of paper using the article a. The main articles in English are the, and an. Let's talk about each. Indefinite articles introduce a non-specific noun or noun phrase. And an are indefinite articles. Sometimes pronounced a in English, is used before nouns and noun phrases starting with consonants or the Y sound. So for example, a cat, a university, a European adventure. An is used before nouns and noun phrases starting with vowels or before nouns or noun phrases which start with a silent consonant. So for example, an iguana, an hour of your time, an angry man. There's only one definite article in English, and it's the, used when referring to a specific noun or noun phrase. So, for example, the university is closing early due to the snow. A specific university is closing due to the specific weather pattern in its area. Not all universities are closing, so we use the definite article. If you'd like more help with definite articles and indefinite articles, our tutors are here for you. We have a handout on our website, but we're also located on Chalmers Library floor 2, so you can stop by anytime and see us. If you're uncomfortable with walking in or you want to do an online appointment, you can visit us at owl.kenyon.edu. Thanks so much for listening. Take care, everybody.